cheer tryouts.
5, 6,
Here we
7,
go.
8.
We're gonna learn how to spell hot to go together, and I'm gonna try my best not to mess it up.